Bago lang to, 24 hours restaurant and then authentic Chinese yung sinaserve nila. Maganda mag-party dito kasi ang dami nilang rooms and then malalaking serving ng food. Merong billiards, may darts, may KTV, may arcade din dito at saka elevators kaya senior friendly. May fishing din dyan if gusto mo ng malalaking prawn. Tapos may mga performances yan every night from mascot, dancing at saka singing. Sa food nila ang sulit ng mga large orders. Nasa 600 plus to 800 plus lang yan per order tapos busog level talaga. So dito lang yan sa Shipport Restaurant. Nasa may Ross Boulevard lang yan and then ang dami ng parking sa labas. May wifi dito at saka pet friendly sila. Okay yung dining area sa ground level kung gusto mo manood talaga ng performance. And then may mga private rooms din sila dito na good for 4 hours tas 100% yan consumable. Ito yung mga in-order namin nung nag-party kami and then highly recommended yan sa taste and price. Sweet and sour pork, beef with bell pepper, pineapple shrimp ball, yung kung pao chicken nila, mapo tofu, 3-cup chicken, spicy squid large, beef noodle large, at saka yung birthday noodles. Authentic Chinese taste yung mga yan and then marami sila mag-serve. Around 15k na gastos namin for food kasi with service charge yan. And then kasya na siya sa amin na 17 packs, tapos may take out pa.